Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and didn't get much work done this weekend on the CL350, but I've been staring at this engine now for a little over a week, and I'm just dying to see what is underneath the top lid here. So let's start taking this thing apart. Let's take this top cover off. Let's take it off. So far, these are all breaking free. Again, it's a big deal when you can spray down all your different connectors when you first start working on these. So far, we're 4 of 8. We're halfway. They've all broken free. That one broke free. Oh, God. Getting nervous. It's always that last one that's always really challenging. Last one. Is it going to go? Yeah. They all went. Can't believe it. And look at this. I can actually just take most of these off, I think. So what we've got is a nut and a washer. Got nuts and washers across the board here. Let's just take these off. And then probably have to get a putty knife or something to pry off or get the gasket free. So I'm guessing. But we're just going to take these off. This is the first time I've never taken the top end of an engine off. So I'm a little nervous. I don't believe anything's going to come flying out of here or anything. I don't think. Might be a rude awakening, guys. These are kind of a special washer as well, I'm noticing. That one's a little weird, but I'll show you. These all have a little groove in the top end, and those are going to go up. All right, so I think that's kind of an important detail to be paying attention to. There's another one. They're all universal, all the same. And this will be the top cover. This will be the first kind of experiment of digging in to this Honda twin engine. Really kind of an impulsive video tonight. I need to grab this one's not coming off of here quite. Oh, there, I got it. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these and we are going to get a bag. I'm going to label the bag, engine top cover, and we'll be good. Don't believe this is going to come off. Let me go find my putty knife and we'll see what we can do here to get the cover off. All right. Got my trusty putty knife, and I think we should be able to work our way around. I do have a set of replacement gaskets, and there it is, popped right up. Let's take it off. It's coming off. Ooh, wow, inside of this engine's really, really, really clean. Look at that. Fantastic. Let me go handheld so I can actually show you the inside of this engine. I'm absolutely blown away by what I'm seeing right now. There you go. I think this is a really good sign of things to come. Look how clean it is up top. Again, this engine hasn't run that I know of. I think it was 1986 or 89. Either way, a long time. But hey, guys, if you've never cracked the top of your engine off, this is what it's going to look like. Whole bunch of good stuff going on there. I needed to do something. I needed to do some wrenching on this thing. Curiosity killed the cat, but there it is, guys. All right, here's the top cover. This is going to clean off. I'm going to be able to clean this. This is just aluminum, so that's no big deal. But I'm blown away by how clean this is. The motorcycle only had about 6,000 miles on it. Really, really good sign. There's our nuts and bolts. And once again, there you go. There's a look at the top end of a Honda twin engine. We'll be digging into that in the coming videos, I'm sure, down the road. It'll be a little ways, be a little down the road, but I wanted to turn out a piece of content. So I was just standing here looking at it, and I was like, I wonder what's underneath that cover. And there you go. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have broke those spark plugs off. Because I think this baby would be almost ready to rock and roll. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. It means a lot. Also follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. Thanks so much. Have a great night.